Are you tired of clicking through endless Salesforce menus just to add a product? Here is the exact 7-click path to do it in 30 seconds. I will show you each click in order from the pen icon to the final save. No extra steps, no confusion. In the top right corner of your Salesforce homepage, look for the little pen icon. That is your gateway to customizing the navigation bar. Click it. A drop-down menu appears. You will see an option labeled Add More Items. Go ahead and click that. Once that panel opens, click the All tab at the top. That filters everything down so nothing is hidden from view. And here is the really important part. In the search box at the top, type the word Products. Watch the list narrow instantly. This saves you from scrolling through hundreds of options. From that filtered list, click on Products. Make sure you select the one that just says Products with no extra words attached. Now, click the blue button that says Add One Nav Item. This moves products over to your active navigation bar. You can see it show up on the right side. Finally, click Save in the bottom right corner. That locks in your change. And just like that, you have got products added to your main menu. Next time you log in, it will be right there waiting for you. No hunting required.